STEM education in general, and then space studies in particular, I'm a bit biased on that. The study of space, astronomy, the next thing out there. Now you'll find biologists and marine scientists who would say, well, we should still study the Earth. There's plenty of room for everyone to study everywhere.
Maybe a general knowledge, quick general knowledge, but then we cannot do without the depth, because the people with depth who will really take the technology, the advances to the next stage. So it will not be an easy thing to do, but I think this is also a sign that we will need more people going into advanced degree programs.
That the world that they are growing up in is very different than the world that we grew up in. And so it's doubly important that they stay abreast of science and technology, because it's moving so quickly that it's going to be important for their lives in the future.
What we're trying to do is provide them with a challenging and exciting environment where they can pursue their passion and to learn more about themselves and learn how to work with people, how to benefit from new technology.
When you get students engaged in space exploration, it gives them the opportunity to dream, it gives them the opportunity to see the innovation, the creativity that it took to walk on the moon, and then what are we going to do with it next? What's it going to take to get to Mars? What's it going to take to live on a planet? What's it going to take to mine an asteroid? And that's what we're empowering these students to do. Space exploration activates that STEM content that we want our students to excel at.
TAS is here to make a difference.